What if your game could build its own sound right inside Unity? Describe any sound in any language. Your ideas become sound instantly. Or just capture your game scene. AI analyzes the image, detects every element, and generates the sounds that fit. Your visuals turn into living sound. Need endless background sound? Drop your sound, click once. Make seamless loop, no edits. Tired of the same sound repeating? Create natural, unique variations in seconds. Every action, every moment, richer in sound. Give your characters a voice. Generate lifelike speech directly from text.
Don't go past the snow line. Something massive is moving up there.
Making a creature in your game? Record your voice. Choose the monster voice you want. From your voice to the creature's roar. Every story needs music. Your scene becomes the soundtrack crafted to match your world. From indie games to epic worlds, every sound that brings your game to life. VARCO Sound.